Get ready for a mind-bending journey into the cosmos, because we're about to dive into a discovery that has astronomers buzzing with excitement. Imagine this, a cosmic collision so powerful, it defies our expectations and challenges our very understanding of black holes. Intrigued? Well, let's unravel this extraordinary event that has the scientific community talking. In November 2024, a team of astronomers witnessed something truly remarkable. They detected a binary black hole merger, and just seconds later, a short gamma-ray burst, GRB, lit up the sky. Now, this might not sound groundbreaking, but here's the twist. We never thought these two events could be connected. Gamma-ray bursts are usually associated with neutron star mergers, not black holes. So, this unexpected pairing has the potential to rewrite our astronomy textbooks. What makes this discovery even more fascinating is the realization that black hole mergers might not be as invisible as we once believed. These cosmic collisions, under the right circumstances, can emit visible radiation. It's like the universe is revealing its secrets through a flash of light and a ripple in space-time. Personally, I find it incredible how the universe constantly surprises us with its complexity. The black holes involved in this merger are not your average cosmic entities. We're talking about behemoths with masses over 100 times that of our Sun. This raises some intriguing questions. How did these massive black holes form? Did they result from previous mergers, or is there an entirely new formation process at play? It's like we've stumbled upon a cosmic mystery novel, and we're eager to uncover the origins of these heavyweight champions. The study also proposes a fascinating explanation for the gamma-ray burst. Imagine a black hole merger occurring within a galaxy's active galactic nucleus, a region brimming with gas and dust. This merger sets off a chain reaction, giving the newly formed black hole a powerful boost, sending it careening through the surrounding material. As it plows through the gas, it devours matter at an insane rate, creating intense jets of radiation and particles. These jets then collide with the gas, causing shock waves and heating up the material until it releases a burst of gamma rays. It's like a cosmic fireworks display, but with physics that are mind-boggling. This discovery is a game-changer for multi-messenger astronomy. Previously, we could only study black hole mergers through gravitational waves, which is like listening to the universe's soundtrack. But now, with the potential to detect gamma-ray bursts, we can add a visual element to our cosmic symphony. It's like upgrading from a radio to a full-on IMAX experience. We can study these events through both sound and light, unlocking a whole new level of understanding. Furthermore, this event hints at a new way to measure cosmic distances. By using gravitational wave events as standard sirens and gamma-ray bursts as markers, we might be able to refine our understanding of the universe's expansion. It's like having a cosmic ruler that helps us measure the vastness of space more accurately. In my opinion, this discovery highlights the beauty of scientific exploration. We think we have the universe figured out, and then it surprises us with something extraordinary. It reminds us that there's always more to learn and discover. So, keep your eyes on the skies, because the universe is full of wonders waiting to be unveiled.